Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. It's Vlogmas Day 11. It's December 11th. We almost halfway home, huh? Yep. And I'm going to share with y'all on this Monday morning, Monday evening, Monday night, whenever you're watching this, the most popular cookie at Christmas time with my neighbors and friends. I call them my kitchen sink cookies. Y'all can put anything you want in this cookie. I never make them the same every time, because I just put anything in there, dump whatever I can put in there, and go from there. That's why it's called kitchen sink cookies. Put everything in there except the kitchen sink. Very simple, very easy, regular type cookie dough. Nothing spectacular. Let me tell you what I got in this particular kitchen sink cookie. I got two kinds of chips. I got caramel chips and butterscotch chips. I got chocolate chips, semi-sweet. I got some oatmeal, chopped pecans, little fruity pebbles, and I got cherries and cranberries, dried cranberries and dried cherries. Like I say, the world is your oyster when it comes to this cookie. Put whatever you want in this cookie and it'll be fine. So anyway, I also have some butter, sugar, flour, vanilla, baking soda, and baking powder, and eggs. And that's it. It might look like a lot of stuff, but I got it all sitting out. But like I say, you just dump stuff in the bowl as you get the cookie batter done and go from there. So only thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cream the butter and sugar together first. We're gonna slowly add I got brown sugar also, y'all. Two types of sugar. So I'm gonna cream the butter and sugar together. Get it all creamed together. We're gonna come back. We're gonna add the eggs to it, the flour, and all the dry, and then we'll fold in all this other goodness. So anyway, y'all, Vlogmas Day 11, just getting started. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, we're gonna add the eggs in here. Let's scrape this down right quick, y'all. Give it a little scrape down here. Yeah, a little scrape down. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now we're gonna add the eggs. Scrape this down. And this is just a typical cookie dough, y'all. A typical simple cookie dough. Really a sugar cookie. If you add the flour right now and stop, it'll just be a sugar cookie. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my baking powder and my baking soda. Go and add it to the flour so it'll be better incorporated like that. Kind of give it a little stir there. There we go. Now we're going to add a vanilla to this now. Let me scrape this down as well. Okay, now we're gonna add our flour to this, y'all. This down. All right. Scraping it down again. Oh, that's the cookie dough right there. If I stop right here and bake these off, it'll be regular cookie dough. Now, let's add the good stuff. Add the oatmeal in here. Add my chips in here. Add my cherries and the cranberries. Add my nuts. The last thing I'm gonna add is my fruity pebbles. It's gonna give it a nice color, y'all. That's it. That's it, y'all. Take this out of here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this chill about 30 minutes, 30, 45 minutes. I'm gonna let the dough chill so it doesn't spread as much. Y'all remember the other day I did some cookies, and I know you gotta let this dough chill. Trying to be in a hurry instead of being patient like you gotta be in cooking sometimes, and let the dough chill. I'm gonna put this in another bowl, of course. Put it in the refrigerator, let it chill a little bit. We're gonna come back. We're gonna scoop these out, and we're gonna have a good old batch of old school kitchen sink cookies. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, I let the dough cool here. That's the key, y'all. Y'all know I had a brain cramp in another video. I didn't let the cookie dough cool or chill a little bit, and all my cookies just run together like crazy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna scoop these in here right on the pan here. Hopefully these don't run together like crazy. These gonna be some big Texas size cookies as well, y'all. Of course, you can see that. Just like that. I'm gonna get them all scooped up. Hopefully they don't run together. Y'all think they're gonna run together like this? I don't think so. I'm gonna spread them apart as much as possible. And I should get about 2.5 dozen out of here. And we'll come back when I get them all scooped together, and then we'll put them in the oven. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. All right, y'all, I got 12 out here. I got 12 more to scoop up. It's gonna give me 2 dozen of these bad boys. So I'm gonna get these in the oven. And then while I'm in the oven, those in the oven gonna take 375 degrees for about 10, 12 minutes, y'all, like any regular cookie. So anyway, we'll be back once these come out the oven, and we'll get them cool, and we'll go from there. Old school kitchen sink cookies, y'all. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this here, y'all. Out of the oven, I already let them cool. Look at that there. And these some monster Texas size cookies. And these things are going to spread on you. Had to get a little expert advice by one of my former co-workers who's an excellent pastry chef. And with these cookies, I got so much chocolate. I got chocolate in here, butterscotch chips, caramel chips, cereal, because so much stuff in here is gonna make these things spread like crazy. And I got 2 sticks of butter in there, so that's what happened. And I was getting concerned. I said, no, I know I can cook some cookies, and now my chocolate chip cookies and my other cookies don't spread. And that's what it is. That's the reason behind it. He was laughing as he was explaining this to me. But look at that cookie, y'all. You can see the butterscotch chips in there. You can see the caramel chips a little, look on the back, nice golden brown on the back. You see the chocolate chip cookies there. But anyway, it got like a little chewy center. See that? You can see in the middle. Look at that there. Going in here, y'all. Oh, wow. It's so chewy. Look, got a little crunchy on the outside. Chewy on the inside. Absolutely amazing, y'all. Absolutely amazing. It's a perfect Christmas cookie. And I promise y'all, these cookies wouldn't last. Our neighbors love them. Like I say, I make them different ways. I might add, sometimes I add coconut to it. But you got the cherries in there, the cranberry, all kinds of stuff, gooiness up in there. So anyway, another little cookie you can make for Christmas Day. Serve it to your families and friends, serve them as gifts or whatever. Absolutely amazing. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Vlogmas Day 13 is done.